Hello everyone, I am Shivani Chopra. Today we are going to learn about profit and loss. So to learn about profit and loss, let's see an example. Okay, so here is a greengrocer who is selling fruits, mangoes, lots of fruits and vegetables. Okay, can anyone guess why he is selling fruits and vegetables? Anyone? Yeah, definitely to earn money. Whenever a seller sells something, then definitely his purpose is to earn money. Okay. So suppose this greengrocer bought mangoes at rupees 20 per kg. Okay, he has purchased mango at rupees 20, and if he sells the same mangoes at same price, means at rupees 20, did he will earn anything? No, he will not earn anything. He will just get his money back, which he has invested to earn to bring the mango, purchase the mango. In this way, so he will not earn any money, na? So what is the need to sell the fruits if he is not getting anything? But when this greengrocer, after buying mangoes at rupees 20 per kg, sells them at rupees 25 per kg, then what happens? He is earning some extra money. How much extra money? 25 minus 20, that is 5 rupees per kg. Okay. So for every 1 kg, he will earn rupees 5 in this way. So then, yeah, that is the purpose he made. In this way, he will earn money. Okay. So when we sell an article at a price more than price at which we bought it, then we earn some money. Okay? That money which we earn is called profit. Okay? Whenever a seller sells the article at a price more than at which he has purchased it, is called then he makes the profit. Okay. So if we buy an article for rupees X and sell it for rupees X plus 2, then how much profit did we make? We make a profit of rupees 2. Okay. So in this way, a seller earns some money, makes a profit. Okay. So now, the price at which we purchase an article, the seller, whoever is selling some product, has firstly purchased it from the market or from the factory, from somewhere. Okay, so the price at which a seller purchases an article is called the cost price. Okay, and the price at which he sells an article is called selling price. Okay, at which he has bought, that is the cost price. The price at which he sells the article is the selling price. For the example which we have seen, the grocer has purchased the vegetables for rupees 20 per kg. Na? So rupees 20 was his cost price. Okay, and he was selling it at rupees 25. So that rupees 25 is his selling price. Yeah. Okay. And the difference between the selling price and the cost price is called profit. Clear to everyone? I think so. It's completely clear to everyone. Okay. Now see. So how to find out the profit? It's very simple. Selling price minus cost price. Whenever is selling price greater than cost price, the seller makes a profit, and that profit is calculated by subtracting cost price from the selling price. Okay. So the vegetable vendor makes the profit of how much rupees? Of rupees 5 per kg. Okay. So let's see one more thing. There's a person who is selling golas, ice gola. We eat now, it's very yummy. Okay, so there's a person who is selling golas. Okay, he bought raw material of each gola at rupees 10. He means he has invested rupees 10 for each gola. Means for one gola he is investing rupees 10. And he sells each gola for rupees 15. Okay. So what is the cost price of 10 golas? We have to find it out. What is the cost price of 10 golas? What is the selling price of 10 golas? And what is the profit after selling 20 golas? For this, let's start with the first question. What is the cost price of 10 golas? So, see, he has purchased each gola for rupees 10. Means the cost price of one gola is rupees 10. Okay, and he is selling 10 golas. So, the cost price of 10 golas will be what? Rupees 10 into 10, because the cost price of one gola was rupees 10. So for selling 10 golas, the cost price will become 10 into 10, that is rupees 100. Okay, so the cost price of 10 golas is rupees 100. Comes to next question. What is the selling price of 10 golas? So he sell each golas for rupees 15. Means he is selling one gola at rupees 15. Okay, so to sell 10 golas at rupees 15, how much? What will be the selling price? Okay, so to find it, what we will do? We will multiply rupees 15 into 10. So the selling price of 10 golas will be rupees 150. Okay. So in this way, now we have finded out the cost price of 10 golas, that has came rupees 100, and we have found now the selling price of 10 golas, that is rupees 150. So how much money is he earning by selling 10 golas? Can you guess? For 10 golas, we will subtract the cost price of 10 golas from the selling price of 10 golas. Okay, so rupees 150. So it will be rupees 150 minus 100, that is rupees 50. Okay, let's see the question. What is the profit after selling 20 golas? Okay, so for this, first of all, we will find the profit after selling one gola. Okay, so the cost price of one gola is rupees 10. It is given, and the selling price of each gola is rupees 15. Okay, so what is the profit for one gola? So the profit for one gola will be 15 minus 10, that will be rupees 5. Okay, so what will be the profit for selling 20 golas? Okay, so for this, what we will do? We will multiply the profit after selling one gola into 20. So we will get 20 into 5, that is 100 rupees. So profit after selling 20 golas will be rupees 100. Is it clear to all? I hope so it's clear to you. Okay, if you have doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. Okay, now see, there are some questions which say, I sell sugarcane juice at rupees 20 per glass. Okay, so and my cost price is rupees 15. Okay, so what he is selling sugarcane juice at rupees 20 per glass, यानी कि his selling price is rupees 20. Okay, and my cost price per glass is rupees 15. Okay, so what is the total profit I made today? How much profit he will make today? If I sold 75 glasses. This will be your homework. How you will do? Now here you know the selling price of each glass, the cost price of each glass. So you can easily find the profit made by him by selling one glass of sugarcane juice. How much profit he is making by selling one glass? That will be what? Rupees 20 minus 50. That will be rupees 5. Okay. So you had to find the profit made by him by selling 75 glasses. Okay, you just try it. Okay, there are some questions which are very easy. You have to find it out. Okay, see, now we have cost price equals to rupees 100 and profit equals to rupees 20. So what will be the selling price? Okay, so how you will find that? See, profit equals to what? Selling price minus cost price. Okay, see there are two questions. This you will solve. Okay, in the next turn I will give you its explanation. First question I have read. The second I am going to read. Profit is rupees 50 and the selling price is rupees 170. What is the cost price? Just find it and we will see in the next session. Thank you.